Yo, it's your boy K.J.B.C. up in the building. This is my brother. Introduce yourself.
My name is DJ. What's up?
Shout out to my girl Jog. What's up? Alright. I'm kinda nervous. Anyways, we about to see which one hurt worse. A little plain old, not really plain, but airsoft gun, or we'll smack with these babies right here. Which one hurt worse? So we are about to go. It's about to go down. Ha. Ready on? Make sure the string is tight. We just taking a little minute to get ready. Hold on. Alright, what's the range, bro? Pick one of these lines. From here to here.
From here to here.
For this. And that. However you can reach.
What you want for this range? What do you want for this range?
What you want for this range? Can't stand too far back, it might not hurt as much. Wait, but what? We have to like shoot each other with both?
At the same time?
Not at the same time, but like we both won't feel how it feels.
Yeah.
So we have to shoot with both. That's gonna hurt like crap. Alright, you gotta shoot with both. See which one hurt worse. It's gonna be a proven fact. Alright. Who's going first?
Yeah, you
in the back, right?
In
the back? In the back. Alright. He's about to.
Dang, that jump gonna sting. You sting the crap out of your back.
Alright.
This? What, this?
Or not up top or nothing. Or just help you in the butt, bro.
Huh?
In the butt, bro. Come on. It'll hurt well, right? We gonna do that.
I wanna do it in the back.
Go.
I want that jump to hurt.
Alright. Nah. Alright. Wait, you got like, let me get close.
Ready? I don't have the right scar.
What other stuff at?
The green one? I don't know where it's at.
Ah, that's my arm! That's my arm. What does that hurt? Alright, that hurts. You want to do an arm too then?
Huh?
You doing arms? But you gotta lift the sleeve up. I'm not very good at this. That hurt it.
No.
I didn't do it right.
I gotta go like this. Like, whip it.
Yeah.
No. Like, you don't curl this side or you curl this side because you wanna go like this. Like, something like that. Let me get that.
Maybe one person should do it.
Huh?
One person should do it?
What?
Right. Let's see how both feel. That's right.
It's too long, that's why.
Ah!
You stung me.
Oh.
Don't hit me in the face.
Ah!
You want the shorter one?
Watch out, watch your face. Ah!
Right here.
Ow! That shit hurts. I think I can see it too. Yeah, I can see it a little bit. It's a little one. Okay. Alright. Where you going? I'm gonna practice in this room quick. Get my aim ready. Oh, snap. Hey, what's up, Jazz? Oh my God, I miss you so much. I'm wearing your bracelet.
This the bad one right
You
here.
gonna do it over again?
Huh?
Bro, that joint left a mark, bro. Feel like that. Bro, you don't have to do it again. Yeah, we both got mark, bro. It still hurts.
But is it black?
Where?
The mark.
Where is it? Somewhere.
Like right here.
No, look at yeah.
It's black?
Yeah, right there? Is it
Yeah.
right there? Yeah. No, the mark is right here. I can see it, but you can't see it because it's like far back. Yeah, it's red, like red and black. So that's a good one. We good one.
You go first, nigga. Nah, you can shot by that shit.
Where we shooting at?
Huh?
Shooting in the back?
Yeah.
Alright, now we about to shoot with the airsoft gun in the back. Like stand like right there behind that line.
This one?
That line right there.
This?
No, this one. Alright, this one. My back. Just one.
Alright.
Just, wait, you got on full. In the back.
This thing.
In the back.
I am. Alright. Ready? And
No, that's my butt, bro. Like, it hurt. Go. Oh, it hurt that much. That thing was probably far away. Try to go in my face.
huh?
Try to go in my face.
It didn't hurt?
What? You want it to hurt? It hurt?
Ready? Ah!
It hurt, didn't it?
No.
Arm. How about this one arm? Right what we got here. Oh, okay. In the arm, bro. Please aim right.
I am.
You hit the car. Do it. Wow, your aim was off.
Huh?
Your aim was off.
I can't see you.
Like, that's not like a legit scope. Ah! Ah! That doesn't hurt. It kind of hurt a little bit worse than thinking.
I don't.
Yeah.
Yo.
Where's your face, bro? I'm scared, bro. Where's your face?
I think that jump gonna
paralyze you. Oh,
not really, but that jump hurt though.
yeah, it's all right. Pain. Real sound stinging. Alright. I seen in the video which one hurt was, bro.
I have to say
You wanna try it one more time?
this. That jump, cause that jump stayed for a while.
Yeah, it do sting for a while. Alright. I guess it's kind of tied between the two because the airsoft gun, it hurts. The pain is kind of worse, but it doesn't last that long. It doesn't last that long as one of these. So, I don't know. Give it a tie. Alright, yeah. This is K.J.B.C.
Deuces.
This is